Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about BMDAS or BMDAS. B stands for brackets. So we have two kinds of brackets. We have this one is, we call this one as circle brackets. And then the other one is square brackets. Okay? So the rest, multiplication, these are the operation, multiplication, division, addition, and the last is subtraction. Now let us solve number 1. Actually, this math is intended purely to the grade 4 and 5 students because there is no E or exponential. So I have here number 1, 4 times open bracket. Inside the brackets, I have circle brackets and then the operation. So I have square brackets, 12 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 divided by 2. So first thing to do is I need to simplify inside the brackets. So this one first, circle bracket, so this will be 16. Then times 2 plus 5 is divided by 2. So this will be 4. So need to change this one by square brackets. So multiply first. 16 times 2 is 32. Then plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, so this will be 4 times. Inside the circle brackets, 32 plus 5. This will be 7. Bring down 3. So I have here 37. And then divide by 2. Take note. 4 times 37 divided by 2 cannot be divided by 37 cannot be divided by 2 because there is decimal. So we will simplify using multiplication first. So this will be 37 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28, carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So this will be 148 divided by 2. So what is 148 divided by 2? So 148 divided by 2. So I will use 14. So how many 2 do I have in 14? So 7. It should be in line with column 4. Then multiply 7 times 2 is 14. Take away, that will be 0. Then you need to bring down 8. So how many 2 do I have in 8? So I have 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 take away 8 is 0. So therefore, the answer for number 1 is 74. So that's all for number 1. Then I will give you number 2 as your task or maths challenge to be solved. Write your answer in the comment. So number 2 will be your task. This will be 500 minus square brackets, and then I have also circle brackets, 345 less 264. This will be close, times 3, then divided by 27. So that is your task for number 2. That's all.